Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to play Lucid Dreams on guitar without a capo. To begin, place your index finger on the 5th fret of the low E string. Then, use your ring finger on the 7th fret of the A string. Next, move to the D string, playing the 5th fret with your index and the 7th fret with your ring finger. This establishes the song's signature opening. The main chord progression for Lucid Dreams is quite simple, consisting of 4 fundamental chords. You'll primarily use C major, G major, A minor, and F major. Practice transitioning smoothly between these shapes. A consistent down-up strumming pattern works well throughout the verses and choruses, giving the song its driving rhythm. Focus on clear, ringing notes for each chord. For the verses, you'll continue with the C major, G major, A minor, and F major progression. The chorus also utilizes this exact same 4-chord sequence, making it easy to remember. The key is to capture the song's feel by listening closely to the original track. Notice the subtle rhythmic accents and dynamics to truly bring the song to life on your guitar. To master Lucid Dreams, start by practicing the chord changes at a very slow tempo. Focus on clean transitions and clear notes before increasing your speed. Once comfortable, try experimenting with dynamics. Play softer during the verses and louder for the choruses. This will add depth and emotion to your performance, making your rendition truly engaging.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.